Right, so this is where I'm flying my drone from. Once again on the bank of the Mekong River. Just found a nice little spot to come in, and there's fishermen out there, and I don't know what that big complex over there is.
Muy, pi, bay.